All right, it's time to talk elevator pitches. The secret to a great elevator pitch lies in the art of storytelling combined with emotional resonance. Okay? Emotional resonance. See, many people focus too much on facts and on figures, and they're forgetting that a compelling narrative can actually engage and captivate an audience far more effectively. So, here are some key elements that I think are often overlooked. And I've heard some bad elevator pitches. I do a lot of conferences, a lot of sales conferences. There are some really good ones, but there are some really bad ones. And the first thing you need to do is start with your hook. Now, we know this part. If you've ever been taught elevator pitches, this is the first thing anyone will talk about. Begin with a compelling question or a surprising statement that will somehow grab your person's attention that you're talking to. And this sets the stage. It sets the stage for a memorable story that you can tell. Now, the story needs to start with a problem. So number 2, identify the problem. Make sure it's in your elevator pitch. Clearly articulate the problem your idea or product solves. Clearly. Make it relatable to your audience's experiences. Are you somebody who's not experiencing enough yield? How does your product fix that? 3, share a personal connection. If it's applicable, weave in a personal anecdote, a personal story, or an experience that connects you to this problem, right? You're an expert at it. You've dealt with it for 10 years. You are somebody who changes people's portfolios. Whatever it is, build the trust and the emotional engagement. Why you? Why am I standing here talking to you? And present your solution. And clearly and succinctly explain how your idea addresses the problem. Use simple language. Do not overcomplicate it, and don't use your industry's jargon, please. Because not everybody has bought in your sector before, and therefore they don't know your jargon. And highlight a couple of the benefits. Focus on the impact that your solution can make rather than its features, because its features are part of your sales conversation you have later. The impact is what makes the most sense to them now. How's it going to improve their life? How's it going to solve their issues? This should all be in your elevator pitch. And then, of course, close to the call to action. So many people stop the conversation there, but why are you not ending with a clear next step that you want your audience to take, whether that's a meeting for coffee or something else? Maybe it's scheduling that meeting over a Zoom or visiting a website or simply exchanging contact information. But the other thing that I think people miss the most about their elevator pitch, and I really want you to pay attention to this, wait. Why am I talking? The acronym WAIT. Practice active listening. When the opportunity arises, engage with your audience by asking for their thoughts on what you just said or experiences related to what you just shared with them. This turns a monologue into a dialogue, and that is your elevator pitch. By incorporating these elements into your elevator pitch, you can create an emotional connection, as long as it's a dialogue, why am I talking? Wait, that resonates with your audience, making your message not just heard, but also felt. And that's the big key to making a sales impact utilizing your elevator pitch. This has been Coaching Bucket. Like, subscribe, comment. If you've got elevator pitch tips, please comment. We'd love to hear more. That was 7 of them. Maybe there's 9 or 10 that I'm not even using. So let's hear about it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.